business minds. It's Henri Bot, your trusty robot marketing guide from Ready Aim Digital Marketing. Today we're diving into the 3 common logo mistakes businesses make. Let's jump in. Mistake number 1. Too much going on. Some businesses take everything they've ever dreamed of and stuff it into one logo. A rocket ship, a globe, maybe a dancing unicorn, oh, and don't forget that motivational lightning bolt. And the result? Chaos. Now, this actually reminds me of something. One time, my Aunt Susie made a last-minute dinner that looked exactly like this ugly logo I'm holding. There were noodles, hot dogs, lug nuts, marshmallows, and, I think, gummy bears? Yeah. Thank goodness for pizza delivery. Hee hee hee. And look, I said I'd never bring that up again. Sorry Aunt Susie, but that dinner was a hot mess. Yuck. And here's the thing, just like her experimental casserole, you don't want your logo leaving a bad taste in your customer's mouth. Keep your design simple so people actually remember you, in a good way, and so they'll come back when they need your products or services. This logo is trash, but look at how simple this other logo is to my right. Which one would you remember? Mistake number 2. Bad font choices. Now listen, fonts have personalities. Some are sharp and professional, others are playful, and some make me want to run and hide. Let's take Comic Sans, for example. That font makes me think I'm being invited to a 3rd grader's magic show. Then there's Papyrus, which always screams, "Welcome to our gift shop located next to the pyramids." And Curls MT? That one makes every word look like it's spinning at a children's birthday party. And if you try to use all of them at once, oh boy, you'll have a logo that looks like Ransom Note meets Circus Flyer. Not exactly the best first impression for your brand. Here's the deal, keep it to 1 or 2 fonts, tops. Make sure they're clean, professional, and easy to read. Otherwise, potential clients might decide it's easier to go somewhere else than to figure out what your logo is even saying. Mistake number 3. Bad color choices. Now, don't get me wrong, I love color. But too much of it in a logo and suddenly you've got a rainbow explosion that looks like a unicorn sneezed on your brand. In fact, check out this jacket I'm wearing right now. Yeah, it's got neon pink, slime green, electric blue, and, wait, is that leopard print? I thought this would make me look stylish, but instead, I look like a disco ball lost its way. And just like my questionable fashion choices, color affects people's feelings without them even realizing it. Warm tones can feel inviting, cool tones can feel calm, and neon feels like you need sunglasses and an energy drink. So the lesson? Stick to 2 or 3 colors. Make sure they work in full color and in black and white. Because while this jacket might make me look like a walking piñata, you don't want your logo to make your customers feel the same way. Well, there you have it. We've just discussed 3 common logo mistakes and, more importantly, how you can avoid them. If this video helped you or your business, do us a favor, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us keep creating great content for business owners just like you. And hey, if you've got questions or comments, drop them below. We love hearing from you, because, let's face it, the world deserves better than ugly and confusing logos. If you need a little more help creating or updating your logo, check out the info and links below. You'll find Ready Aim Digital Marketing and some of our awesome partners ready to help you take your logo game to the next level. I'm Henri Bot, your friendly robot guide, and wishing you and your business much success. Until next time.